In a vibrant city like Austin, Texas, where sunshine, rain, and tree pollen all take turns leaving their mark, your home's exterior is constantly exposed to the elements. Over time, dirt, algae, mold, and grime build up on surfaces, dulling your home's appearance and diminishing its value. Fortunately, there's a simple solution that can restore your property's curb appeal and help preserve its condition: professional pressure washing. If you've been noticing stains on your driveway, mildew on your siding, or a film of dust on your deck, here's why pressure washing is essential for keeping your Austin home looking new, year after year. Restores curb appeal instantly. One of the most noticeable benefits of pressure washing is the instant transformation it brings to your home's exterior. Whether it's your siding, walkway, patio, or fence, high-pressure water removes months, or even years, of built-up dirt, algae, and discoloration. In Austin's humid climate, mold and mildew grow quickly on shaded surfaces, leaving behind black or green stains. Pressure washing removes these unsightly blemishes, making your home look brighter, cleaner, and more inviting almost immediately. For homeowners thinking of selling, pressure washing is one of the fastest, most affordable ways to boost curb appeal before listing. Prevents damage to surfaces. When grime, algae, and mold accumulate on your home's exterior, they don't just look bad, they can actually cause long-term damage. Moisture-loving growths like moss and mildew can eat away at paint and stain finishes, trap moisture in wood and siding, weaken concrete and brick surfaces over time. By scheduling regular pressure washing, you're not just cleaning your home, you're protecting your investment. Removing buildup early prevents decay, rot, and costly repairs down the line. Enhances health and safety. In Austin's warm, moist climate, it's not uncommon for allergens like pollen, mold, and mildew to thrive on exterior surfaces. These allergens can affect your home's air quality and potentially impact the health of your family. Pressure washing helps eliminate mold and mildew spores that can trigger respiratory issues, algae and moss that create slippery, hazardous walkways, dust and pollen that cling to surfaces. Keeping your outdoor areas clean isn't just about looks, it's also about creating a healthier and safer environment for everyone who lives or visits your home. Prepares surfaces for painting or sealing. If you're planning to repaint your home's exterior, stain a fence, or seal your driveway, pressure washing is a must-do first step. Applying new finishes to dirty or moldy surfaces prevents proper adhesion and shortens the lifespan of your upgrades. Pressure washing provides a clean, smooth surface so that paint, stain, or sealant can bond correctly and last longer. It ensures you get the most out of your renovation budget and protects your efforts from peeling or fading prematurely. Adds value with minimal effort. When compared to major home improvement projects, pressure washing is fast, affordable, and low hassle, yet delivers dramatic results. It refreshes your property's appearance, protects its structural elements, and creates a welcoming look for guests or potential buyers. For Austin homeowners, this means staying ahead of weather-related wear and tear with minimal effort. Whether you do it seasonally or once a year, Professional pressure washing is a simple routine that adds long-term value to your home. Final thoughts. Keep Austin clean. Starting with your home. Living in Austin means enjoying vibrant neighborhoods, beautiful weather, and a strong sense of community. But it also means contending with nature's effects on your property. Regular pressure washing is one of the best ways to maintain that fresh, like new appearance without the cost of full renovations. Ready to give your home a facelift? Contact a trusted Austin pressure washing service today and see just how powerful a deep clean can be. It's the easy, eco-friendly way to protect your home and your pride in it.